Forget axes and backbreaking work. These machines turn timber into firewood at lightning speed. From 50-ton splitters to sawmills that devour logs whole, this is wood cutting like you've never seen before. Let's dive in. Say hello to the Eater hydraulic log splitter, the ultimate time saver for woodworkers, loggers, and anyone who's ever wrestled with a stubborn tree trunk. Unlike old-school splitters that demand you lift heavy logs onto a table, back pain anyone? This beast lets you split logs right where they lie. No lifting, no struggling, just raw hydraulic power doing the heavy lifting for you. Never mind logs. Can you just imagine using this for cutting through anything at all? Anything that comes to your imagination. Introducing the Uller Vipkreissäge WS700DN, the circular saw that laughs in the face of thick logs. This power-packed beast slices through timber with the precision of a samurai sword and the speed of a race car. Forget struggling with uneven cuts or dull blades. This monster's 700mm saw blade chews through firewood like a wood-hungry beast, making every cut smooth, fast, and satisfying. Price starts from $2,500. I don't know about you, but the Split X450 looks like the kind of machine that makes splitting wood feel like a guilty pleasure. This absolute powerhouse doesn't just break logs, it dominates them with hydraulic precision, slicing through even the toughest timber like it's made of butter. Forget the struggle of swinging an axe or wrestling stubborn logs onto a workbench. This beast lets you split wood faster, easier, and way more satisfyingly right where they sit. Designed for efficiency and zero back pain. Price ranges from $6,000 to $7,000. Meet the Fuxtech Log Bench, the ultimate tag team for slicing through logs like a pro. This setup lets you mount a saw onto the sturdy bench, giving you precision, stability, and zero-nonsense wood cutting. No more awkward balancing axe or logs rolling away mid-cut, just smooth, controlled slicing every single time. Whether you're working with firewood, timber, or even chunky tree trunks, this beast keeps everything in place while your saw does the heavy lifting. Price ranges from $300 to $1,100 depending on model. Now we're stepping into the big leagues. Meet the FP500H Firewood processor, the heavyweight champion of log splitting. This beast doesn't just split logs, it devours them whole, turning massive tree trunks into perfectly sized firewood with zero sweat on your part. Equipped with hydraulic power, a conveyor system, and a built-in saw, it's like having a full-fledged firewood factory in your backyard. The FP500H Firewood processor is priced between $8,500 and $8,600 USD, depending on the order quantity. I absolutely love the super handy 14-ton log splitter. It's my go-to machine for effortlessly turning logs into perfect firewood. This compact yet incredibly powerful splitter delivers 14 tons of force, making even the toughest logs surrender with ease. Designed for efficiency and portability, it's perfect for backyard firewood prep or taking straight to the job site. The super handy 14-ton log splitter is available at various retailers with prices around $736.99. Introducing the AMR Solomat Auto, the ultimate automatic circular saw that transforms your farmyard into a high-efficiency firewood production line. This machine is engineered for maximum safety and productivity. With its automatic log carriage and conveyor system, the Solomat handles logs up to 22 centimeters in diameter and cuts them into lengths ranging from 20 to 52 centimeters. The cost of the Solomat varies based on configuration and region. For instance, a 2023 model with PTO drive and a 2-meter conveyor is listed at $7,600. Moving along to the Narva H60 Firewood Splitter, the ultimate heavy lifter that transforms massive logs into neatly split firewood with unparalleled efficiency. This powerhouse is designed to handle large logs, capable of splitting them into up to 24 pieces in a single stroke. Specific pricing for the Narva H60 Firewood Splitter isn't readily available online, as costs can vary based on configurations. Let's move on to the Arbro 400S stroke harvester head, the compact powerhouse that transforms your forestry operations. Weighing in at just 330 kilograms, this lightweight marvel is designed to fell, delimb, and cut trees up to 40 centimeters in diameter with surgical precision. Equipped with a 14-inch or 16-inch saw bar and a 660 millimeter stroke, the Arbro 400S connects seamlessly to standard loaders. Similar harvester heads, like the AFM 400S, have been listed at approximately €28,500 or $31,000, including the control computer. The Schkiv woodcutters, the ultimate tools for effortlessly transforming logs into perfect firewood. These machines are designed with precision and efficiency in mind, making woodcutting tasks faster and more enjoyable. Price is not available. The SpaltFix S377 Multi, the compact powerhouse that turns hefty logs into neatly split firewood with unparalleled efficiency. This firewood processor handles logs up to 37 centimeters in diameter, cutting them into lengths between 20 to 50 centimeters. Equipped with a 90-centimeter Whittier carbide saw blade, it ensures precise cuts and boasts a long service life. With a splitting force of 15 tons and a turbo function that boosts performance by 25%, the SpaltFix can process up to 45 cubic meters of firewood per hour. Introducing the X-Spalter 16-ton log splitter, the ultimate powerhouse that transforms hefty logs into neatly split firewood with unparalleled efficiency. This innovative machine boasts a 16-ton splitting force, effortlessly handling logs with diameters ranging from 15 to 80 centimeters and adjustable lengths between 20 to 50 centimeters. Its standout feature is the 8-stage adjustable X-knife, allowing you to customize log sizes from 3 to 10 centimeters. Price ranges from $46,000 to $65,500. Quattro, the ultimate heavy-duty log splitter. This is something I would enjoy using, but it seems to only take a specific log length. This power-packed beast delivers 30 tons of splitting force, handling logs up to 25.5 inches long with ease. With a 12.9-second cycle time and a rugged H-beam frame, it ensures efficiency and durability. Pricing is in and around $1,800. Meet the Remit RT630, the wood-chipping beast that turns logs into perfect mulch in seconds. With 4 razor-sharp Hardox 500 steel blades and a 620mm cutting disc, this powerhouse devours branches up to 13 centimeters thick like a hungry monster. Hook it up to a 15 to 45 horsepower tractor and let it spit out wood chips with pinpoint accuracy thanks to its 360-degree rotating discharge chute. Pricing comes in at just over $2,000. Now this is right up my tree. Just look at how effortlessly the hammerhead skid steer attachments grab a massive trunk and slice it into perfect firewood pieces like a hot knife through butter. The GS44 grapple saw grips, lifts, and cuts logs up to 24 inches thick, all while keeping the operator safe inside the cab. Price comes in at just under $9,000. Meet the ArtSteel CXR 600. The log-splitting monster that eats wood for breakfast. This industrial-grade hydraulic splitter runs on a 4-kilowatt, 400-volt electric motor, delivering brutal splitting power without breaking a sweat. It handles logs up to 600 millimeters long and cranks out 60 to 70 quintals of firewood per hour. At around $8,000, it's an investment in pure firewood domination. This 50-ton mobile log splitter is an absolute beast. With a 15-horsepower petrol engine, an electric start, and a crushing 50-ton splitting force, it tears through massive logs like they're made of butter. Designed for heavy-duty commercial and large-scale firewood processing. Priced at $3,199, it's a firewood splitting powerhouse. Meet the Porsche SensoSplit 35, the smartest log splitter in the game. With a 35-ton splitting force and advanced sensor technology, this beast automatically adjusts speed and pressure based on the wood's resistance. Making every split smooth, efficient, and effortless. Designed for one-person operation. Coming in at roughly $22,500. The Wood Miser, the legendary sawmill, just got bigger. With an 84-centimeter roller distance and a 100-centimeter max log diameter, This beast handles wider logs with ease. Powered by electric or petrol engine options, up to 38 horsepower, it features automated SW setworks, adjustable power feed, and a water lubrication system for smooth, precise cuts. Starting at approximately $29,000 for the manual version and $38,700 for the hydraulic model, the Wood Miser is built for serious sawmillers who demand performance and durability. The Bilka S3 Firewood processor, fast, efficient, and built for serious firewood production. The Bilka S3 Firewood processor, fast, efficient, and built for serious firewood production. With an automatic feed system and a spiral blade cutter, this machine effortlessly processes logs up to 22.5 centimeters in diameter with low power consumption. It delivers clean, even cuts at an impressive rate of 10 to 30 cubic meters per hour, making firewood production quicker and easier than ever. And there you have it, some of the most powerful, efficient, and downright insane timber cutting machines on the market. From firewood processors that churn out logs in seconds to log splitters that crush timber like toothpicks, these beasts are built to handle any wood cutting job you throw at them. Which machine blew your mind the most? Drop a comment below and let me know. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on more insane machinery in action. See you in the next one.